In this video, we're going to show you to install the USB auxiliary plug on your Cadillac Escalade located inside the center console. Now on the console, you may have these two levers. I'm going to grab the lower one, lift up to access the auxiliary port. And how we're going to access this is just using a pocket screwdriver. Just go in, gently push in, and pry out just to pop that out. On the bottom, you might want to use a 90-degree pick to go up underneath. Do the same. Grab that and pull that out. Now there's a gray lock tab right here. Pinch that. Pull the port off. You're going to take the new part, line this up, push that in. You're going to feel it and hear it lock into place. And then line this up, insert it, and push it back with even pressure. At this point here, you're all set. Close up that console, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.